Hey divas, so in today's video we are going to be talking about a fragrance. Yes honey, I have a fragrance review for you guys. You guys know I'm back into my fragrances, so you guys will be seeing some fragrance content pretty often. But anyways, today it's going to be on the Ariana Grande Cloud 2.0. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so jumping right in, today we have Cloud 2.0. I actually have been wearing it so that I can give you guys a review. I like to wear it for more than one day to see if it performs a little bit different or if I can smell like different notes and things like that. So yeah, and I also will be comparing it to the first Cloud. I recently picked this one up. I think it was like a month ago, and then this one came out, so I was like, I was so intrigued to try this one because everyone says that it's like a dupe for Baccarat Rouge. And I actually really like the smell, so I was super excited to get Cloud 2.0. But anyways, let's get into the unboxing for this one and letting you guys know my thoughts. So here is the box here, and it's pretty much the same as the first one. So the first one, I believe I have it in a smaller size. Yeah, so this one I have in 1.7 fluid ounce, and then this one I got it in 3.4 fluid ounces because that was the only size that Ulta had available at the moment. So once you take it out, it does still have the same packaging, but it's just different colors. So here it is. It does have like this little cloud here. It says Ariana Grande there, and then it has the actual fragrance. You can remove this, which I will, because I just feel like this will look a little bit too bulky for my perfume collection. It's not going to look very chic, neither will it look aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, I probably will be like tossing this to the side or something. So let's get right into this fragrance. I'm going to be reading you guys the notes and everything so you can know what type of fragrance it is, or if you're even interested in this type of fragrance. So the fragrance family that it's in, it says sweet, and the scent type is gourmand. So hopefully you know what those things smell like. I'm definitely into sweet and gourmand, so that's why I was really attracted to it, and plus I like the first one. So but anyways, the key notes are, the top notes are lavender blossom, juicy pear, bergamot, and the middle notes is creme de coconut, indulgent praline, vanilla orchid, and the base notes is sensual musk, creamy blonde woods, dry cashmeran, and ambrox. So I believe these are like the same. I think these are the same notes that's in the other one. I think it's a couple that may be different. But anyways, those are the notes. So for me personally, I am not like a professional when it comes to perfume. I am like a regular perfume wearer, okay? Like, I'm gonna tell you like what I smell and what it smells like on me. Understand that everybody's body chemistry is different. Everybody may pick up different things. For me, I really love this. I feel like it does smell very similar but not alike to the first Cloud, but this one smells a little more sweet and sensual in my personal opinion. I definitely pick up on those bergamot and like the musk type of vibe, but it's not as like strong as the first Cloud. So the first Cloud is like very like, I was really getting like the musk smell, and not must, not to be confused with that, but musk. And it just, I don't know, like it was like really strong, but at the same time I still liked it because I don't mind musky scents. But this one has like a very like soft musk, if that makes any sense, and I could smell like the more sweet and sensual side of this one. This seems like it's a lot more like for a mature sexy person that wants to wear this, okay? Because this just smells so sensual. I feel like this would be very perfect for date night, or even if you're just in the house and you're doing your self-care, or wherever you do your self-care and you want to smell sexy. I think this is definitely the one to pull out. Or you're going for girls' night out and you just want to smell sexy because you're looking sexy and you know you just want to feel sexy, so you just put this on. Like, this is very sensual, and that is mainly what I get out of it. I feel like it's very similar to the first Cloud. This one is just more sweet. So then I'm going to show you guys like how it compares with this one. So I did get the smaller one, as you guys can see. This one came with a white cloud, and then you could take this one out as well, and you see how it has like that clear blue type of packaging, and it's correlating and matching with the top as well. So you just take the top off. I really do love this packaging. But I don't know, like this one, like you guys could let me know which one you guys like more, but for me, like I really like this one. Like this one looks so chic, and it's gonna look so, I mean, this one's gonna be beautiful in my perfume collection without that little cloud, but I don't know, it's something about the white and the clear, it's just giving. Okay, so let's talk about the notes, and I'm reading it directly from Ulta. So the fragrance family that this one says is from is Oriental, and the scent type is Gourmand. And I would definitely agree with that. That's why it smells a lot more strong too. I'm just noticing that because I don't think I paid like a lot of detail the first time when I got this. So anyways, the key notes, the top notes is lavender blossom, juicy pear, bergamot. The heart of it is creme de coconut, indulgent praline, vanilla orchid, and the base note is sensual musk, creamy blonde woods. So I guess it's like the last, let me go to it and see. So I'm guessing the last, okay, so the only thing that they added was the dry cashmeran and ambrox. So that made it like really sweet. So it's basically, I guess, the same perfume with just those two add-ons, which I mean, I like both of them. I definitely feel like this is something that is a lot more strong though. So if you want something that's more sensual and soft and sweet, in case you don't have either one yet and you're wondering which one you should get, I would recommend this one. If you like something that's more soft and sweet, I would recommend this one if you like sweet, because this one, while it does smell very nice, it's just very strong with the oriental and the woody and the musky. So it just depends on what you would like. So I want to talk about how this wore as far as like longevity as well as the intense portion of it. So I don't feel like this is super intense. It wasn't intense on me. I don't apply a lot of perfume because I just don't like applying a lot of perfume. I feel like I should be able to apply like just a decent amount and you should be able to smell it. So I didn't apply a lot, like I just hit my normal point. So it was a regular perfume application, and this was not, you know, it was not to where like you can smell it, like, because yeah, like I asked someone and they were like, no, like you can't smell it unless you're like really close. So I would not count this as something that's intense. However, if you put a little bit more, I feel like you will be able to smell it if you're that type of person. For me personally, if I know that I smell good, that's enough for me. And I feel like throughout the day it takes time for my perfume to kind of radiate, but at the same time I don't like it to always be too loud. As far as like the wear time, I did get a decent amount of wear time out of this. It did last for about 7.5 hours. I wore it out on a day where I knew that I was gonna be out and working and everything. So yeah, it did last. So once I got home and it was time for me to take my bath before going to bed, like I was still able to smell it, which was really good. So it does have a very long wear, but I wouldn't say that it's super intense. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description box below, or I'll have links to both of them just in case you want to pick up one of those. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you are thinking. Let me know if you picked up either of these, or if you like the smell of them. Like, have you tried it out or smelled it at the store? Do you like it? How do you guys feel about these fragrances? Like, please let me know. I do want to know. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.